I've never done this before.
Alright, I got the first one in.
It's a big puzzle. That is the nicest thing we've done on this entire build.
Hey there, we are Jess, Greg, and Maya. Together we are self-converting our 2017 Ford Transit into our tiny home on wheels. Last week you watched us install our subfloor. This week we'll be making it pretty using our $40 Facebook Marketplace flooring. Welcome back to the van build. What you just saw us doing was building our wheel well boxes out of 1/2-inch plywood. And we chose to do this before we put down our flooring so that we had easy 90-degree angles to work around.
Yeah, you saw in the last video where we built our subfloor, us doing crazy cuts around the dented wheel well and all that. So, speaking of floors, I found this nice vinyl tongue and groove style flooring on Facebook for 40 bucks. We like the color and it's pretty thick and also padded on the bottom. It's moisture resistant and I bought enough to do probably 3 vans. Hopefully it lays down good, we'll see.
But since this was used flooring, there were some imperfections and a lot of dirt. So you can see here on this one, for example, there is a little curve cut out here, but we had to take that into consideration when choosing which piece to put where.
So we had one person, which is Jess, like picking pieces and cleaning as we went, as I was installing what she was giving me. And it actually worked out pretty good. It was good teamwork. I've never done this before, so let's see how it goes.
Alright, I got the first one in.
What? We're about to make contact. I gotta say, that measurement. Getting to the end here, we are getting to the tough part of not only cutting around all of these, but also it's a big puzzle. So you're trying to figure out in what order to place the panels to where they'll fit and you can actually install them. Our plan is to take this piece and install it in the front and slide it all the way in. So we'll see how that works.
Money.
Expertly installed. Mwah. That is the nicest thing we've done on this entire build. I will stand by that. Well, what do you guys think? How do you like it? I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. I think it's the best thing we've done to this van yet.
And he'll stand by that.
I will stand by that. That is the nicest thing we've done on this entire build. I will stand by that.
Now you know what time it is. The important stuff. How much did it cost and how long did it take?
Well, we kind of already spoiled how much it cost, but that's right. $40.
And how long did it take? It took us about 9 hours and 45 minutes. It was a really easy project, but very tedious.
So as always, drop your comments and questions down below. We'd be happy to answer.
Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for our next video, which will be sound deadening.
Woo! Alright, so this is outro.
Yep. Ready? The important stuff. How much did it cost and how long did it take?
You never told me how much it cost.
How much did it cost?
$40.